I would also like to, yun pong pag-iyak ko at yung walang patid na pag-apologize ko is coming from the fact na dahil ayoko pong makontempt, ayoko pong ma-detain dahil may dalawa po akong nasa critical condition na nanay at mother-in-law. Yun po yun. Pero sa mainstream media at social media ngayon, pinagtatawanan ako dahil nag-apologize ako at tinawag akong tanga. But I cannot forgive myself if I don't speak now and tell you the truth. I'm just really afraid na ma-detain at this time. At this time kasi may dalawa akong nasa critical condition na naka-bedridden na nanay at mother-in-law na nasa late stage na anytime they die. I don't want to be detained and wala ako sa tabi niya. Ayun lang po, Mr. Chair.
Ms. MJ, at
Point
this
of
point
order.
in time, this committee has no plans of detaining you. Was there a motion? There was no motion. So we will proceed with the next interpellator.
Mr. Chair, I just wanted to point out that although I understand, well, I'm trying to understand where the concerns of our good resource person is coming from, but I think it's baseless. Wala pa namang motion, wala pa namang nagsasabi na iko-contempt ka, wala pa namang, for as long as you cooperate, and for as long as you say the truth, and for as long as you're completely honest, there's nothing to be fearful. Not unless, of course, you're hiding the truth. So, dun, pwede ka matakot. Kaso lang kung wala naman po kayong itinatago at buong katotohanan ng sinasabi ninyo, hindi wala po dapat kayong ikabahala. At saka wala po dapat kayong dahilan para umiyak. Siguro maganda po, ma'am, uminom po kayo ng tubig at baka ma-dehydrate po kayo.